Hi, I'm John Holden.
And I'm Andrea Ocampo.
Welcome to Earth. Hi, I'm John Holden, and welcome to Earth. We're starting off our show here in Central America, outside the town of Choloma, Honduras. This is a place where one of our favorite clothing items is produced, that we all know and love, the t-shirt. Who doesn't have one of these, or 100 of these in their closet? But you're going to be amazed at the sustainability practices that are underway here by one of the largest t-shirt producers in the world, as you're about to see. Honduras. It's located at the convergence of tropical and subtropical climates, so this Central American country embraces a huge diversity of life, from its oceans, freshwater lakes and rivers, to mountains ringed with lush cloud forests. Many of these pristine regions have barely been touched by humans. But Honduras is also known as a haven for manufacturers, which employ thousands of local residents, producing sugar, coffee, lumber, and most certainly, clothing products.
It's one of the largest employments that we have in the country. Actually, for over 30 years, it's been growing, and the textile apparel industry here in Honduras is large. There's over 180,000 employees, direct employees, just in the textile apparel industry.
And one of the largest clothing manufacturers here in Honduras, Gildan. This producer of popular everyday apparel opened its first Honduras facility in 1997. From its beginning, the company decided to do things differently by using innovative manufacturing processes to lower its impact on the planet.
That means that we have to manufacture our products in a sustainable and ethical manner. And that is to make sure that we're critical with our water conservation, our energy conservation, and making sure that everything we do, we reduce our waste throughout all of our manufacturing process so that we can control our supply chain from beginning to end. That way everybody, whenever they buy a Gildan shirt, they make sure that it's done in a sustainable and ethical manner.
Gildan's state-of-the-art technologies are aimed at optimizing the use of natural resources and minimizing waste. One green initiative here is the facility's biomass steam generation system, which produces renewable energy.
We convert agricultural waste into steam, and we use the steam to feed our process needs in the textile industry. So like 10 years ago we started this journey. Our target was to replace all the fossil fuel that we used to produce the steam for the process. Our ultimate goal is to have zero manufacturing waste by 2027. And right now in Rio Nance, we are able to replace the fossil fuel use equivalent to approximate 32,000 cars a year of emissions.
Another green initiative is Gildan's heat recovery system that captures thermal energy from steam to heat water for the dyeing process, as well as absorption chillers to create cool water for air conditioning systems. Then there's Gildan's most innovative wastewater management system.
Water, it's very important for us. It's our largest single natural resource that we use in our manufacturing process. That's why we put a lot of emphasis in implementing water efficiency programs and enhancing water quality.
So where are we right now? What do you call this place?
This is our beautiful biotop. This is the area where we treat our wastewater. This is a resource. This is the area where different kind of animals can live here. We have close to 30 crocodiles. We have different birds. We have goats. We started with 7 goats at the beginning, and now we have hundreds. They also do their part with nature. They cut the grass, and it's really a beautiful area, a beautiful ecosystem.
These are just some of the unique ways Gildan acts sustainably, controlling the entire process of how its apparel is designed, made, and sold in today's circular economy.
We are very proud of all the environmental initiatives that we have in place. We are very proud of using renewable energy, using our manufacturing processes.
Water conservation, energy conservation, waste management, and making sure that there's good circularity controls so that as you're manufacturing throughout the entire process, you're making sure that you're making great use of your resources.
Gildan operates here in Honduras in true harmony with nature, with a strong commitment to its people and communities. So I think it's safe to say that, well, Gildan is well known for the apparel they make, but maybe this company should be better known for how it's made.